So this week is, what's it called? Fall Sports Spirit Week. And today is jerseys versus refs. Oh. So, go ahead.
Right, ladies?
What? What was that?
Bro. Edit that out. Treat me like my team. Don't do me. Watch me win. Watch me win.
Nice. Say hi. Heart. Ew. Oh my god, Rachel. What does that say? Oh my god, guys, should be twin. We're walking to Gov now, and we're gonna be late. I think. Let's see the fit, bro. Oh.
I got my own jersey on. Zach's taking my jersey. Oh, 102. Yeah, one blue.
Violet. I'm dead. I'm gonna get revenue.
What's up?
It's a video.
You only have Chris? Yeah. Wait, I don't.
Hi, Annalene.
Yellow.
Hi, Irene. Marissa.
Hi.
We're driving home now. Mother.
Hi.
Where are we going, Mom?
Watching Katie practice diving.
Yes. My vlog, Dad.
Hello.
Where are we going?
We go to ball throwing thing
Yeah, at the park.
at the park. Yeah.
Vlog.
Oh, tóc mẹ xấu. Hello.
Oh.
Tóc mẹ xấu mà.
We're having pasta with
Bacon.
bacon and shrimp,
Broccoli.
and broccoli. Yes. Matcha. Ow. Say hi to my vlog, bro. Say hi to my vlog.
How much do you want, Maggie? Just
Maggie, you want to say hi?
no.
Oh.
No.
Hi, vlog.
Wait, today, what day is it? It's Tuesday, September 19th. Why are you wearing white, Sean?
Because everyone is wearing white.
Are you watching the WoW game?
No.
Oh my god, you're lame. Okay. Sean can.
Is this recording?
This will be the first activity, and we'll do it before the movie after everyone has their food. So it's gonna have questions where it's like a baby picture.
The CC meeting.
Class or like stuff that happened in
Senior class committee.
Who was the first?
Sucks. It's kind of mean.
Thank you.
Oh, that was kind of scary.
By the end of the school year, but I still didn't.
You're weird. You're literally such a nerd. Rachel just said she. No, say it again.
Wait, okay. Wait, are you filming now?
Yeah,
Okay.
I am.
We're now watching the tennis game.
You sound sick.
Stop.
I'm sorry.
I've been congested for.
There's Karis. That's Karis, right?
Yeah, right there. Carson is right there. Tiffany is right there.
What's going on? What do you think of the game?
I think it's really cool.
What about you, Rachel? Are you missing tennis now?
I guess. Yeah.
Watch me like trip.
I think we would be good though.
Yeah, it just got stuck on your finger. Okay, wait. Oh shit.
You're doing it to the wrong person.
I just took a picture of the wrong team.
Girl.
Oh, they switched sides.
I remember hating playing on
Did you
the
see
same
that?
side. Kate, she just served.
I saw.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Hi guys. This is our wow games.
It's all gonna say it out loud. Hi, Kate. Oh, hi, guys. Wait.
Do you see this? Do you see this action? Look at this.
Oh my
Look at
God,
my
I'm
camera,
looking.
bro. You see that?
Yeah, the glare is crazy.
The glare. Whoa, yo, look.
Whoa, let's
Look at that.
See that? Oh yeah.
Can I try
It looks
taking
really
a
good.
picture? Yeah, give me a second.
That's like
For number 2, we have Rachel's
Oh.
stance. Take a look at that stance. Okay. Now, oh, okay. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh, okay.
We love to see it. And Rachel's shots. Shoot the glare.
Oh shit. Sorry, Katie. Oh shoot. She got smacked.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Next up, we have Granite. With her action shots.
Oh,
The
almost
glare
got it. I
goes
almost got it.
crazy. Can you even see that? Oh, you can. Look at that.
Oh, that was
There we
bad.
go. We're taking pictures of the game.
Oh, look at her stance.
There we go. Oh.
Oh, that was good. Hey,
Bye-bye.
wait.
Oh.
Friends.
Just finished practice and mom is driving.
Hello.
We're doing our basketball throw now.
Yeah.
Aren't you excited, Dad? Look at this guy.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, so it's currently 12:33 and I'm reading Frankenstein. Reading Frankenstein. Like, oh my goodness. This is for my ELEC class, but I'm gonna try and read like half of it. But tomorrow will be Wednesday the 20th. Technically today is Wednesday the 20th, and it's wear blue because it's wear class colors. So yeah. Okay, let's see the blue. Keelan,
Patriot Pride. Senior Pride.
oh, that's cute.
Senior pride.
Yes.
It's my 4th one. I have 4 more, but I don't think I'm gonna get to them because it's like pretty much done.
Wow. Are you gonna close it and shake it up?
No. This is how you mix it. So you first mix the part you want to eat, and then you take this bite and you eat it, right? But if you want to like eat it all at once, I guess you just like you take your fork and you like brush it at the top, you know, like to evenly spread it, and then you go in and you like spear it. Yeah, but this is too big, so I'm not gonna eat that.
Okay.
Okay, and then you like carefully concoct your first bite, and then.
Wow, I'm actually a little jealous. The sounds are good. Keelan.
The biggest chicken was really bad. Oh, let me cover that one.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, say it again.
Hi. Hi, I'm wearing my glasses today. I'm blind. I'm tired.
Hello, vlog.
Dude, that's literally white.
This is clearly blue.
Bro, that's...
No? What? Why is everyone saying that? No, I
Because
say
it's clearly white. Oh my gosh, Ashley! Ashley, what color is Sean's shirt?
White.
That's what I'm saying!
how is this white?
Dude, he's trying to say that it's blue.
This is light blue.
Kinda.
See?
But like, you're tricking no one.
That's what I'm
What do you mean
saying.
tricking? This is
Hi.
What are you playing?
Music.
Okay, very cute. So it is 8:11, Wednesday, September 20th, 8:11 p.m. And I ran about 2 miles and then I had class from 5:45 to 6:45. And then I had a smoked salmon sandwich that my mother made that was so good. And I'm drinking, what is this? The matcha latte with egg cream. And working on my homework. Good morning, friends. It's Thursday and I'm wearing a green shirt, and at school I wear flare pants because it was twin day, which means I was matching with half the grade, half the school. And I went to practice and now I'm practicing my basketball throw. Hi, Yanni.
Hello.
Brittany, you don't have your salad today?
We have pizza today for labor.
Oh, okay.
It's working. This is Rachel Cam.
Is this for Katie's? Oh, is this for Rachel's dog?
Yeah.
Hi, Rachel's dog.
You have a distinct way of walking.
I know. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Literally? No, figuratively.
Kaylin, say hi. Kaylin, say hi. It's like zoomed up into your face. Okay.
Okay.
I want to stop.
Hi.
You want to show us your plant?
Its name is Phoebe, and it's gonna be a beautiful pink flower.
Nice. So I just ran literally 5 miles. It took an hour, and I took a shower, and now I'm gonna eat pasta. And then the choir show is at 7. And look at this. Look at how funny this is. This is my diving chamois. I left it to dry like this, and now it's quite stiff. So say hi.
Trong cái vlog của em có cái cần phải mua toilet ở trong đó.
Hi vlog.
Who's in the flashy?
But the way that they made it is like obviously they have. Mom, what did you get?
Cơm tấm,
Dad, what'd you get?
Fine.
Susan?
garlic noodles and fries and beef.
We're sharing these. And that's the end of the vlog. So say bye. 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 Good morning, friends. We're getting ready for fall ball, and then we're gonna take pictures at Akma. Oh, the couple.
So sorry, my guys.
What do you have there, Kaylin? Milk tea. Hi! Go, do a spin for us. Do a spin. Woo!
Hi, it's Irene. It's our last fall ball dance and we're gonna have fun tonight.
Good morning, friends. We're at the Pacific Airshow.
It's not focused.
Zoomed in. Literally counted back from 12. Well, the planes are in the morning.
Dude, it was like
Airshow has ended. What did you think of it?
It was really good. It was so cool.
It was really cool. And now we're walking around.
Yeah, there's ways of doing it.
Is that your stomach? Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Get these photos. Oh my gosh. Do you realize that?
Look.
Bro. The afterburner. Where's Wannabe.
Look at the wannabe. Look at it.
Yeah, look at we have this wannabe. Did you get it? Show us your lock screen.
I took this picture
Wait,
on my
it's
phone.
like so bright. Girl, turn the brightness down. Yeah, this is mine. We have 4 flight. You have a flight. Do you have a flight folder?
I do, but it's like.
Let's see it.
Wait, no, I don't. Did it get deleted?
Fake. We're here at LBX, which is very on theme for us. Is this the aiming point?
This is 1,000 feet.
That's the same thing.
Yeah, that's the aiming one. Yes.
All right. What did you get?
I don't know. Number 2 from the order.
Pork belly.
And
Yeah.
rice.
With like
kimchi.
yeah. Hello, mom. Hesitate. An Ulta.
Yes. Found
Pixie
it.
Bush.
Wait. Yes.
Oh yes. Oh bro, this is my thing. This is what I use.
Oh, I also use that.
Look at this. What do we think? What did you buy?
Monkey business.
Oh no! What did you buy?
Oh, the dress for Maggie, shirt for Maggie, and bag for Barry go to poop.
Oh. What did you buy? What did you buy?
I bought this. Some cute pants, jeans, some cute shirts, tops, you know. And then,
Oh bro, do the Ulta haul.
I got a
Ulta.
blush and the snails stuff.
Snail Mucin and the
Yes.
blush. Is that the only 2 you got? Yeah?
And whipped cream.
Oh my god.
Oh. Hold on.
That's crazy.
Wait a second.
Hold
Oh.
Ice cream.
You can't even close it.
I hold this.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you guys want napkins?
Yes, please.
Let's see it, bro.
I got the blue monster, which is basically just cookies and cream but blue. Mint chocolate chip and chocolate.
Interesting. We're back and we're watching Lights Out and I'm doing her nails. Let's see the before. Okay, this is the before. We're gonna work on it now. Oh, what did you think of Scream?
Scream.
Wait, sorry. What's it called? Lights Out?
Lights out. It was okay.
It was okay. It ended kind of quickly though. Let's see it. Wait. Can we see it?
I don't know.
Let's see it, bro. Let's see your claws.
Yes.
The next morning, and
Don't feed me.
Maggie, we have delicious. You can do big, Katie. Can you have ice cream too?
yeah, look at Maggie's face. You say, and that's
And that's
the end
the end
of the vlog.
of the vlog.
And now say bye.
Bye.
Bye.